FUE Asia was created with a simple goal: to expand the horizon of knowledge in the field of hair and hair restoration. Over the years, it has brought together experts, innovators, and professionals who share a passion for learning, collaboration, and advancing the field. To take this vision global, FUE Asia partnered with Tricomed and FUE Europe, both among the leading hair restoration conferences in the world. What brings us together is more than just a partnership, it's a shared belief that hair restoration should be guided by knowledge, ethics, and a commitment to delivering the best possible treatments and techniques for patients. Together, we encourage ethical practice, promote excellence, and build a stronger global community dedicated to advancing hair restoration. And that's how FUE Global was born.